In this video, I'm going to cover sharing files with specific people, sharing non-Google files, and sharing file as a link. So I'm going to come over to this Google Doc, and I can click on it, and then at the top I have the little person with the plus sign, and I click on that. Now from here, if I would like to share this with a coworker, I can start typing their names, and Google has connected my address book to here, and I can certainly do that. Or I can type in their email address as well, and that will work. From here, I can decide the permissions that these people have. So what can they do in my file? They can view, comment, or edit. Also notice that there is an advanced tab. And from here, you can see who has access to your file. We can also change how the link sharing happens, and this is going to be very important. If you need to send someone a link and they oftentimes will say that they can't open it, it's that you haven't enabled link sharing. And now certainly you can make it public on the web, and this would be anyone on the internet can find and access. I really like the anyone with the link option, and again I have the option to decide what can these people do. Can they view, edit, or comment? Of course, you then can also decide for your organization itself. You can share it with an entire organization or just with specific people. How to share a link would be to select the file. For this time, we'll take a Google Sheets file, and I can right click and click on where it says Get Shareable Link, or I can click on that same button over here. Now when this pops up, notice it says link sharing is off, so I need to enable it, and then it tells me the access settings, who has access to this link. Now it's going to default oftentimes to just your domain, so you may need to click on sharing settings, and then it has a little drop down, what can people do? And I can either select the more option or advanced and then change, and again decide who will be able to see my link and what permissions they have. Once you are ready to share your link, you can copy the link from here, or if you are happy with the permissions that are defaulting, you can copy the link from here as well. So let's say, for example, I would like to share this PDF. I can single click on the document and I can get a link, or I can click on the person icon when we return to this menu as well, and we can change our options. Or I can right click and click on share, and I get to the same menu.